How to get verification code from Google Authenticator app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Google. Now tap on profile at the top right corner. Now simply tap on Google account. Now on the horizontal menu, simply scroll to the right and tap on security. Now scroll down. Now tap on two-step verification. Now wait for some time. Now enter your password and tap on next. Again wait for some time. Now scroll down. Now select Authenticator. Now tap on Set of Authenticator. Now tap on Next. Now copy this code. Now go back to the home screen. Open up Google Authenticator on your device. Then tap on the plus icon. Now tap on Enter Setup key. Now paste the key here. Now type Google on the code name and tap on Add. Now copy the code and go back to the application. Now tap on Next and paste the code here. Now click on Verify. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.